Hello everyone, my name is Panyavutsi Sanuson. I am a team leader of the project name Wearable application for evaluating table tennis stroke using smart sensor. I think everyone familiar with this sport. Table tennis is one of the fastest ball game in the world. One of the solutions to practice this game is to apply the ubiquitous system. Previous work used the variable sensor to achieve this system. For example, video-based method, accelerometer sensor, and IR depth sensor. However, the challenge of this method are the insufficient of data to analyze a complete stroke, and the non-prevalence equipment which is difficult to reach to user. So, in this project, to deal with that issues, we collect the data from video and smart sensor from the consumer-grade product. Then we analyze and uncover the parameter that distinguish between standard and the beginner players. After that, we aim to use the standard player data to build a model for teaching the beginner player. We also plan to publish the data for the author researcher who want to analyze on this approach. Lastly, we will implement the application for improving the table tennis player skill. This is our approach. We collect the video-based motion from the GoPro camera and wristband accelerometer data from the Apple Watch. Then we apply the caramel filter to remove the noise from our dataset. For evaluation, we use dynamic time wrapping and root mean square error. And this is our result. It shows that the stroke of the standard player is more consistent than the beginner player for both forehand and backhand. And the more the difference in RMSE is, the more erratic and inconsistent the stroke motion is. This is our demo. And we succeed to implement the smartphone application to correct the data from the smartwatch. This data can be used to calculate the score of stroke. Summary. We investigate the importance of stroke consistency to table tennis, and the results show that there are differences in the stroke consistency between the standard and the beginner players. For the future plan, we aim to correct more standard and beginner data to deeply investigate in this approach, and we will implement the recommendation system for the beginner player. Furthermore, we will publish openly available data for the author researcher. We hope that our research and application will make a good contribution to table tennis world and be the solution for practicing the table tennis skill for the beginner players like me and you. Thank you for your attention.